Good morning, you all. Welcome to today's vlog. Today is Friday, May 6th. I'm on my way to meet up with Kendra because she is hosting a Mother's Day event. Well, a Mother's Day, I guess you could say retreat, in Deep Creek. And I'm pulling up to her house because I'm not driving it. It's about 3 hours away. So I wanted to take you all with me. I'm going to try my best to be a good vlogger this time. So this is a Mother's Day weekend. Again, today's Friday, May 6th. We're staying all the way till Sunday morning. So we'll be back for Mother's Day, of course, so I can spend it with my babies and my husband. But if you follow me on Instagram, then you know yesterday, May 5th, which was my mother-in-law's birthday, we laid her to rest. So I just wanted to say thank you all for your prayers and condolences, whether you reached out to me via social media, text, email, whatever. I appreciate it. So yeah, I'm about to link up with Kendra. It is so ugly out here. It is 6:17 in the morning and I'm exhausted. I don't even know if I parked. I said parked. I don't even know if I packed what I was supposed to bring. I'm just tired. So like I said, I'm not driving. She will be driving, and you can see that the weather is absolutely ugly this morning. It's pouring down raining. So yeah, I'm gonna get some sleep on this 3-hour drive that we have, and I will see you all once we reach Deep Creek.
Hey, good morning everyone. I'm on Sharonica's CT Cab road trip. Oh, what they doing here?
Ronnie.
Ronnie, road trip. This is driver.
You gotta tell them who you are, because they know Kendra. They don't know
this Green Eyes.
No.
No, because we got a nickname. Green Eyes Ronnie. Because I'm really Veronica Sharonica. So Green Eyes Ronnie. Good morning.
Veronica Seals. Veronica Seals.
You as?
Kendra.
Oh, this is awesome. Hey everyone. Please check the like button if you like and subscribe.
Get my camera. All right, so we just got to the house, and this is the front door right here. It's the closet. Thank you. Can you be my model? Walk us around the house so they can get a house tour. What is that? Oh, this is out to the garage.
Yeah, we park our vehicles.
Nice, spacious.
I should have brought the
Oh, what's a baby? What's this? No, this is the, what's the light? Okay. This is the laundry room.
Nice and spacious.
It is. Oh, hold up, you missed the bathroom. This is the first bathroom, the first level, half bath. Then moving around to the kitchen area. Let me back up some. This is the wet bar. Look at that. This is all our junk, don't mind that. We just got here, so this is the kitchen.
Coming over here to show you all of this with all the
Nice fridge. Okay, we're a little empty, but we're gonna make market. Look at all this storage space. Trash can, we need to know where that's at. So over here to the dining room. Look at these windows. That is beautiful. It's raining out there, but y'all can see from here. Leads out to our little patio area. You see the fireplace right there. Nice. Hopefully it don't rain the whole weekend.
But even if it does, this side, you would come up as a roof. Look at this.
And here is the patio. Oh, we out here. We is out here. This is nice. So even with it raining, we're nice and dry over here.
Wraps around too.
Oh, it did? To the bedroom? Oh, look, we're gonna go out here and it wraps around. That's our pool house right there. I'll show y'all that later. Yeah, I do. Even with the fireplace out, this is nice. All right, going back into the house. I dry my feet off. Ignore my toes because they dry.
Hello, summer.
This is beautiful.
Oh, this is really gorgeous.
I was thinking about adding this to the fireplace I got in the house, a mantle. I don't know, cause see my TV is like inside. I don't really like it. I might fill it in.
You don't like
brick.
this though?
No, I'm saying I don't like the open area that we got behind our TV, but it's for like the DVD player and all of that stuff.
Okay.
I don't know, but I do like the mantle. I don't know.
I do.
Another part to.
So it's like the wraparound outside.
And this is another seating area right here.
And then we make our way over to the main room, which is the living room. You see the hot tub.
Oh, that's what that is? Okay. Hot tub keys.
This is the main room.
Let me give you a whole view. Nice seating area. Thank you for the lights, ma'am. I love this. I love the views. I love the natural lighting. It's the dining room and all of it. I don't know how many people coming. Do you know?
I thought it was 14.
I don't know. This is actually the front door here. This is a little, what would you call this? Like study hall. Okay. She called it the study hall, not an office, but a study hall because it has no doors. We need lights, shorty, lights. So first bedroom. Oh, this is nice and spacious.
Oh, this one gets the lead outside.
Is this you? Oh, okay. Yeah, you gotta give it to mommy. Got her own little balcony. Nice little view of the jungle.
Well, one part does. Oh, look at that bathroom.
I know. Oh, look at this closet. Can we get some lights? Do we got lights in here? I see lights up there. I don't know where the switch
It's
at.
probably outside somewhere.
I don't know, but this is
But we right here.
freaking nice. And what is this? Another part of the closet?
It's the
Safe closet?
I mean, the safe room, as people call it.
Oh, okay. They need to have some food in here then. Shit, you ain't that safe. Let me find out. What am I doing wrong?
What am I doing?
Oh, they got another little Kit Kat.
That's the wet bar.
Oh, a wet bar in the bedroom? What's up? Something around there? Oh, yes.
I come through deep clean.
Yes, look at this bathroom.
Oh, yeah, I'm getting up in there.
Yeah, tell you that she wanted to come up out
I
of
feel like going.
it. You got your own little shitter over here for myself. Oh, let me up in here. Let me up in here. Look at. I would take my tub out and literally make a whole huge ass shower like this.
If you remember that little room, the safe room we was in?
Oh.
That leads right here. That's why they got this lock so you can't get into the bathroom. This
Okay.
is just a linen closet right here.
Okay. All right, so we're going back out. What would you call this? It's not a master bedroom. It's an ensuite.
Probably.
Probably,
I like that.
yeah.
I like that.
Okay. What's over here?
Oh, you ain't go downstairs?
No.
No.
Oh my gosh, the basement is amazing.
Well, let's do the
Oh.
basement last then.
All right, yeah. We'll save the basement for last. So here's another bedroom.
We're gonna call this the Chinese room. Japanese.
This is
I
pretty.
love that it leads to the outside. That's amazing.
Yep, this the last area that I showed y'all. That's that out there.
A lot of closet space. Extra
Yes.
pillows.
Do I got this? I got this mirror, I think.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
I think I do. Another beautiful bathroom.
You got the camera.
It's pretty.
If you gotta save a life, boy, you can get right to somebody very
Jeez.
effectively.
This is nice. I like the windows.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
Nice footstool. You always need that.
Mm-hmm. All right, we're gonna save the basement for last.
Okay. All right, how you get upstairs?
Oh, we've been in the laundry room. That's Kendra bringing stuff in.
Andrew, here we come.
I know. You know I'm doing it. I know. I told you I'm doing a tour. I ain't hear that. I gotta check my camera because I ain't hear you say that. So once we get up the steps, you got a nice little seating area here with another wet bar and a desk. This is a linen closet, but a coat closet, right? Yeah. Another bathroom. Oh, okay. So this is the linen closet up here. This is another bed. What's hot in this room? Or is this me? Maybe it's me.
This is real chilly.
Oh yeah, I feel it now. The fan hit me. It took a minute. It's ugly as I don't know about. That's all over in the car. Another linen closet. All right, that's a room.
This is just I got some little ventilation room.
This is beautiful. Another bedroom. So this is actually what, an 8-bedroom, right? I think it's an 8-bedroom house. I don't know how many bedrooms. All right, so we done on this side of the house. So going back down. So that room that we just left out that I said was cold is probably gonna be my room. Oh, you don't like it cold though.
I got me a blanket, extra blanket. Don't worry about me.
I mean, it's not that I like it super cold. I just
prefer cold over.
Yeah, overheat, definitely. Yeah, I'm a little thick chick. So on to the basement. Oh, should I take my shoes off? I don't like walking on carpet. What? Why she ain't wait? She just couldn't wait till we finish our house tour. Dropping shit. Please be careful, ma'am. Another closet. Ooh, ooh, ooh. to the jacuzzi. I think that's the second one out there. And you have a fire pit right there. Fireplace. I like that. Oh. Oh. No, I love this. I love how they got this set up. Look at that theater room. Oh, but we in here. We is in here. Netflix and chill. This is nice though. I like that poster. So we're gonna go on this side first. Oh, this is so... Who is sleeping in the bunk beds though? I hope she ain't designate nobody's dead bunk beds. This is so cute. This is so nice. You could put 4 kids up in here. There'd be a lot of fussing over the TV though, right? Is that my stomach growling? Jesus, I'm hungry. Yeah, that's pretty. Oh, so both of those rooms, the kids' room and this room, sorry about that. The kids' room and the bathroom connects to this room. So they share that bathroom right there. But this is nice. So going back out. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I like this. So this is, focus. Okay, the toilet, me, and the shower. Oh, this is nice. All right, so coming around here, it's another little wet bar. This is too cute. Oh, this is a nice size closet, like. All right, so it's back out to, oh, what's over here? Did we go over here? Oh, another bathroom. I don't even know how many bathrooms we looked at already. All right, so we're about to run over to the pool house, but it's raining, so we'll be there in a second. All right, so now we're in the pool house. It's hot, very, very hot. But this is how it looks when we first come in. And the house is right there, like right across the driveway. But let's go tour the pool house. Dark down in the stairway. I don't think it's a switch down there, but let's go see the pool. But that's just the upstairs area where you can chill out at. All right, so here's the pool room. Sorry if y'all can't hear me because there's some noise from the little pool thing right there, but this is the pool. I think it is 5 feet deep, which is good for me because y'all know I can't swim. Yeah, 5 right there. So this is really, really nice. It's hot in here, but that's a good thing just in case you wanted to go swimming when it's winter time. Nice little seating area. So we're gonna have a pool party. Truthfully. All right, I'll see y'all when we get back to the main house. So that is the house tour. I'm about to go in here, put some of my stuff away, and help clean up whatever we need to clean up to keep it nice and sanitized. So I will touch bases with y'all a little later once we figure out what's the plans for this evening, and we gotta start cooking. So see you in a bit. All right, I'm not trying to get copyright, but Kendra's over here about to make a charcuterie board. Charcuterie board. Charcuterie board. It's many hours later, and we just got finished eating some food. We about to do karaoke. So a few weeks ago when my best friend planned this, when Kendra planned it, she had us broke off into groups. She gave us what group we're gonna be in and everything like that. But one of the girls' groups actually went all out for their performance tonight for karaoke. I'm gonna try my best to record as much as I can without getting copyrighted. But I just came up here to get my phone because I had it on the charger, and yeah, I'm in a group. But I haven't really talked to nobody, so I don't know what we're doing. Quick update, I just met up with my group, and we want to do, because we're doing Destiny's Child. Somebody already took Beyonce's spot, so I'm Kelly. And they're doing Army Fatigue in black, so I already had this green shirt on. I just put on some black leggings. So this is Escape. Let's go ahead and meet them. They're coming through with the flannel. Yo. Who are you? What's your name? What's my name? Y'all don't even know who y'all are? I'm Tiny. You Tiny. Who are you? Latasha. Who are you?
Candy.
Okay, Candy.
And I'm Tamika.
Okay, Tamika.
I don't think she ever looked like this.
She did. Sierra was with jeans.
I'm just the hostess with the mostest. There she goes, Sierra. You know.
So how do you feel now that you're married with children?
Hey.
Right now, how my group come through with the army fatigue. Okay. So who are you? Michelle, okay.
Beyonce.
Beyonce, so that leaves me. The Chocolate Kelly.
Yes. Let's get this party started for SWV. Sometimes it's all that I miss away. Could be nothing if you don't hear what I say.
Literally forgot to record us singing, but it was on my live if you were on Instagram. I completely forgot, but I'm about to hop in the shower, so I will see you all tomorrow morning. Hey y'all, I know it's been a day and a half. A day and a half. I'm terrible at vlogging, but we're about to go to the pool. I was at the pool having some fun. Here's Neek and
I just wanted to say hi, y'all, because I don't have one of these, so I get excited when she pull it out.
But I'm sorry. So I'll get better at this one of these days. We just got out of the pool in the jacuzzi, which was really nice. As you can see, Kendra's not ready yet because she's been prepping everything, you know. Let me fix that. Get the girls together. So this is all our lovely food. I'll show y'all later what everything looked like, but I'm not gonna be able to vlog. I can tell you this right now because over here. Okay, I'll vlog a little. I'm gonna go throw on my white